Also now, drivers continue to take it slow on the roads after waking up to that slick and dangerous mess out there. Whitney Burney live on I-696 in Oakland County. And Whitney, are the roads starting to rebound?
Absolutely. If you had the pleasure of making the trip to work or school to drop the kids off this morning, you saw how bad the roads were earlier in the day, but they're a lot better now. I'm going to turn our camera around so our viewers can see the road. We are on 696 right now, getting a quick look, and you can see that the roads are a lot drier than they were this morning, and snow has been removed. The concern now moves to what will shake out later this evening. Just when we thought spring had sprung.
This is some real bipolar weather. I don't know if it's the Aries coming in or the Pisces leaving. I don't know which it is, for real.
Southeast Michigan is back in its snow globe.
I didn't think we'd get that much here either. I don't know where it came from, but I wish it would go back.
I was coming eastbound on 696 and I seen two cars that spun out.
This morning, around 30 crashes reported during rush hour as drivers worked against heavy falling snow.
Oh man, it's real bad out there. It's real slippery. You just drive safe.
And top of mind for many behind the wheel.
For a while, 50 feet you couldn't see because it was snowing, you know, that powdery little snow. It was no trucks out. So I didn't see a truck till about 9:30. So that's not to say they weren't out. They just weren't out where I was at.
I didn't see enough either. I didn't see enough salt trucks.
Do you guys feel like the magnitude of this storm caught you off guard at all?
No, we expected. We had forecasts from the National Weather Service, our forecasting services, your meteorologists. So we knew it was going to come. We knew it was going to come hard.
Craig Bryson with the Oakland County Road Commission says they made the all-hands-on-deck call for drivers around 3 o'clock this morning and got all 109 of their trucks on the road by 5.
We got them in just before the snow started, and they were able to get out on the road as the snow was falling. That's ideal. Unfortunately, when the snow falls very hard, and rush hour is picking up and we have, bumper-to-bumper traffic, that makes it very difficult.
The Macomb County Department of Roads says they ran into the exact same issue.
Try and prep as best as possible. We can't get out too early, so it just depends on when the snow falls, the duration of the snowfall, the density of the snowfall. If it's a mixture of freezing rain, freezing temperatures.
Now, both Macomb and Oakland County say they're anticipating being out on the roads overnight and possibly into tomorrow, depending on how much snow we get this evening. For now, live from 696, Whitney Burney, 7 Action News.
What a shock to the system. Whitney, you guys be safe out there. Thank you so much. Remember, you can track conditions and temperatures in your neighborhood around the clock using the free 7 app.